Beautiful Sri Lanka.
Serving as a symbolic bridge between the north and south, the Jaffna railway station is deeply tied to the region's identity. The Yal Devi train and the revival of Jaffna's railway links have helped reconnect communities that were once separated for decades. But beyond its historical and emotional value, the station now stands out for something practical: its cleanliness. With thousands of people passing through each day, keeping the station clean is no small task. But it's being done, and done well. So if we can keep the Jaffna railway station this clean, why not every public place in the country? Cleanliness is not just about appearance, it's about respect, health and shared responsibility. Let's make every public space a place we're proud of. A cleaner Sri Lanka starts with each of us.
Beautiful Sri Lanka.